What are they spraying? What the hell?
I don't know. It's supposed to be some triple shine, some other shit.
Volcano foam. Fuck.
Yeah, that's like the new thing. It's really just LED lights coming down on top of it. Makes it look like my son loves it.
Fuck, man. I feel like I'm on a strip bar.
Yeah, bro. I didn't even think about that. It smells good, though, that's for sure. Wow, they really renovated. These are new brushes. It's chill.
Dang. I don't know how you keep the straightness. Oh yeah.
I remember he saw my car over here one time. He's like, "Oh my god, what's your car? What do you do?" I'm like, "Bro, it's a Magnum. Whatever, I'm in a fucking Benz." Wow, and this thing.
Oh, high winds? What the fuck?
I think his thing opened because of the high winds.
Dang. Holy shit. Oh, dang.
You don't see 428s.
No,
ever.
oh, almost never. Actually my first time seeing one. I see the 5 ones.
Love those, man. This nigga's flipping a bitch right here.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell was
Okay.
Maybe he forgot his noodles, man.